Hello everyone, this is Anurag Jain, Developer Advocate and Product Manager at ThalesGroup. In this video, we are going to continue on what we did last time. So in the last video, we did install CipherTrust Manager's Ansible Collection on a Ubuntu machine. And I'm going to pick from there and show a very simple playbook where you can call one of the modules in this collection and create a key on CipherTrust Manager. So I have already created this collection, and sorry, not key, a user. So as you can see, this collection leverages what we installed in the last video, which is ThalesGroup CipherTrust Collection. And I'm going to use one of the modules, which is user management, users save. As part of this playbook or as part of this task, we have to provide some credentials, some information to the playbook. Sorry, we need to pass on some information to the playbook that okay, these are some of the variables which we want to use. So first and the most important thing is a credential to connect with our machine. So if you remember from the last time, the machine that we created, this was the IP address 192.168.2.214, and I have that instance still running. So if I go back to that instance, I do have my CipherTrust Manager running on 2.214, and these are the credentials which I gave as part of the setting up of CipherTrust Manager. This is my password. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run an operation which is of type create, and you can find more details around this. I will share the link to the documentation of the Ansible collection, so you can see what each of these parameters mean. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a user with username Ansible user with this password, a dummy email, and a name, and of course the credentials to connect to the CipherTrust Manager instance. So with this, okay, yeah. So to run this, you just need to run any, like you how you run any Ansible playbook. So you just need to provide this information. I'm just adding some verbosity to the output. So this is a very quick run. So it did check for some facts, and then it went to the task directly where it is creating the user on CipherTrust Manager. And as you can see, it has returned a response information that resource has been created successfully. So if I go back to my CipherTrust Manager, I should be able to see the user on CipherTrust Manager as well. So Ansible user. So this is the user that we just created, and this is the same information that we provided uh, as part of the playbook. Okay, thanks for watching this quick video. In next video, we will look into some more detailed and complex use cases. One of them will be to set up CipherTrust transparent encryption using Ansible, and how you can configure CipherTrust Manager for that particular connector. Till then, please keep watching all the other videos in this channel. And if you like, please like and subscribe the channel. And as usual, all the relevant links will be shared as part of the video description. Thanks again for watching this.